Get in here, Mama Bear.
I'm trying to get in here.
Granny. Papa. Mama.
Go in up here.
Back there.
Alright, lean over. Lean over, Lauren.
There you go.
Up in here. Woo.
Everybody say, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you for joining us for another video. We're here in Panama City, where the boys finally get to see a real beach. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful beach. This is a real beach. Those other videos where we took them to the beach, yeah, that was some other kind of beach.
The dolphin just jumped.
A dolphin?
I'm so sorry, Ollie.
It would be nice if that was in the video, a dolphin jumping. I sure missed it. Oh, is that it right there?
Where?
I just saw something splash.
Well, no, I mean, you just saw us, and we saw this his whole body and tail everything.
I don't know. Man, that's some pretty water. Oh, I should take my shoes off because we're getting in there. We had to get glasses for Quinn. He couldn't see very well, so now he has some glasses. They won't stay on though. There you go, buddy. Now you can see your dreams more clearly. It's date night and we're at Dave & Buster's at Pier Park in Panama City. Oh, you're all dark. That's okay.
Alright guys, I got ribs and wings.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Do you need maybe ketchup, mustard, range, blue cheese, honey mustard?
A little more ranch would be good.
More range? Gotcha.
The food came out fast. It was fine with us because we're trying to catch a movie in a minute. Going to see Don't Breathe. My lips are burning from my spicy Bloody Mary. Let's do this. We just left Don't Breathe. I wouldn't call that a horror movie, but it was okay. It was more like a thriller. Kind of intense, so. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I think today's video is going to be yesterday's beach footage and today's date night with Rachel and I. It was a much needed date night. Granny got the boys all day long, and we got a free day. We haven't had one in a couple of months, so it was very nice. Even though I did call Mom like 3 times in FaceTime with her to see the boys because, you know, I got to check on them. But it was a really good day, so I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. There you go. If you're new here, click subscribe. I try to post as many videos as I can. You know, check us out, see if you like us. And if you feel like it, drop us a comment. We absolutely love reading your comments. And until next time, guys. Bye.